A stone is thrown with a speed of 10 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate its times of flight. Okay, I'm very sure you can attempt that one. Okay, attempt by yourself. When you are done, play the video to watch the solution. Okay. A stone is thrown with a speed 10 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate its times of flight. Okay, from the question, we are given the velocity which the stone is being projected, that is 10 meters per second, sorry. Okay, and the angle to the horizontal is 30 degrees. That is the angle with which the stone is being projected. You understand? So we are asked to find the time of flight, and do not forget that g is equals to 10 meters per second squared. Okay, now with respect to this information, we know that the time of flight is 2u sine theta over g. You understand? So I'm going to have t equals to 2 multiplied by 10 sine 30 degrees divided by 10. Okay, t equals to 20 multiplied by sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 divided by 10. Okay, t is equals to 10 over 10. That is what? 1 second. So the time of flight is 1 second. Do you understand? A particle is projected at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal with a speed of 250 meters per second. Calculate A, total time of flight of the particle, B, the speed of the particle at its maximum height, taking G.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.